Ciao! Today we are making an easy roasted garlic spread. For this recipe, you will need a head of roasted garlic, bread, cheese, extra virgin olive oil, parsley, and black pepper. Let's start with preheating the oven. Then let's prep the garlic. Cut the top off of the head of the garlic, exposing the cloves. Then let's cut a piece of foil and place the garlic on top. Now let's add extra virgin olive oil and season with sea salt. Now let's wrap up the garlic in the foil and place it on a baking tray in the preheated oven. When the garlic is almost ready, place the bread in the oven to toast. Then once the garlic has cooled down, let's start preparing the spread. Squeeze the garlic into a bowl. Now let's mash up the cloves and add some seasonings. First we'll add Parmigiano Reggiano. We're not going to add any extra salt just because of the salt content already in the cheese. Then we'll add some black pepper and then extra virgin olive oil. Let's give it a good mix. And then let's chop some fresh parsley leaves to add to the mixture. Now let's get the toasted bread and separate the spread into about 4 equal portions. Spread on the bread, serve and enjoy. Buon appetito!